Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the charger. So I got a tarp the other day to cover it. The starter isn't working, so I'm going to try and get this new starter in. This is going to be the fun part. Let's try it. Okay, so there's, sorry, you can see what I'm pointing at, right there. So we can get a few bolts, try and get it out. So that way we can take this one out, put the new one in. I don't know how easy or hard this is gonna be. Let's find out. Hey, pass me. You didn't get the old one off, but you do admire the new one. This is a new starter. Yay. So we can go ahead and take the old one off, and we'll go ahead and take this new one. So please. Cool beans. I think that's it. I'm gonna go some bolt heads and try and take out the old one. Let's go. Like, dude, that's crazy. You can see the sides, you can see back. Oh my god. Alright, that's it. That's a new mirror. Done. Check. What's up, guys? Future while editing this video, I want to go over a few things that I did not clarify in the video. So first things first, my starter. My car did not turn over one day, and it didn't start for a day. Run some B-roll of that. In the video of me showing you where my starter is, The reason why I couldn't take it out that day is because my headers go straight down and cover my starter. So for me to take it out by myself, it would be a huge pain, which is why in the video you see me not take it out. Instead, I go on to things I could do by myself, which is my starter relay. Just so happens the very next day, my car started up fine. And then it broke down again. In the next video, I'll go over everything that I've done so far since then. My car has been in the shop for about a month now, so hopefully, fingers crossed, when I make a new video, I'll go over everything that I have done to the car, okay? Until then, make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. So